Welcome to our lesson on API. API is a set of rules that enables different software systems to communicate with each other. API is an interface that provides a set of rules for communication. APIs are used to enable communication between different systems such as web servers, databases, and microservices. APIs enable communication and integration between different systems. APIs provide a layer of abstraction, allowing developers to build applications without worrying about the underlying implementation details. Abstraction simplifies the development process and provides flexibility. APIs are used in a wide range of applications, including web development, mobile app development, and IoT development. APIs are used in various domains, including web, mobile, and IoT. APIs have many benefits, including improved integration, increased flexibility, and enhanced scalability. APIs provide many benefits, including integration, flexibility, and scalability.